In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create links and backlinks in Obsidian. By the end, you'll know exactly how to connect your notes with internal links and how to check which notes point back to the one you're working in, so your knowledge base stays organized and easy to navigate. Start by opening Obsidian. Once your vault loads, open the note where you want to add links. It helps to think of this note as the hub you're enriching with context. You can be in either editing view or live preview, both work for creating links. To connect notes in Obsidian, you create an internal link. The quickest way is to type two opening square brackets, start typing the name of the note you want to connect to, and then close with two square brackets. It looks like this when you type it: double bracket, note name, double bracket. As you type the note name, Obsidian shows suggestions that match your vault. Use the arrow keys or your mouse to pick the correct note title. When you select it, the link is created immediately. A few tips while you type the brackets and the note name. You don't have to remember the exact title. Partial matches will appear in the suggestions. If the note already exists, your link will go straight there. If it doesn't exist yet, Obsidian will still create a link that you can click later to make the note on the spot, which is great for capturing ideas quickly. And if you want the link to display different text, add a vertical bar in your preferred label, like this: the note name, then a bar, then your display text. Now let's see which notes connect back to the one you're editing. Look to the bottom right of the Obsidian window and click Backlinks. This opens a panel dedicated to backlinks for the current note. Here you'll see a list of notes that link to this one. Expand any item to preview the exact sentence or paragraph where the link appears so you can judge the context at a glance. This makes it easy to audit your connections, confirm that the most important notes are referencing each other, and spot any gaps in your network of ideas. Use this view to verify which notes already have links into your current page. If you notice important notes missing, jump back up and add an internal link using the same double bracket method. Over time, these links and backlinks form a map of your thinking, making it faster to retrieve information and discover related insights. That's it. Open your note, create links with double brackets, and use the backlinks panel in the bottom right to see which notes point back. Keep practicing and your Obsidian Vault will feel more connected with every session.